Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining, now today I want to be sharing you experience. We are going to go together as what I first experienced as my first time, going into web development. What was the thing I experienced? How did I go about it? How hard was it? You understand? So join me. I enjoy the journey of adventure of my first time coding without no experience. Alright everyone, good afternoon. As you all know, my name is Abbas Akintola, but you can call me A2 Coding. The first day I started web developing, I find it kind of hard. But at first, what interested me in web developing is that, you know, everyone nowadays makes up social media. You go online there to search for things on Google, ChatGPT, AI, you understand? So why going through all this, I was like, okay, if someone could make Google, how did this person come across Google? How he was able to build the website? How did he make uh it his website? How did he make it interactive? How did they come about all this? So I was interested in knowing more details about it. So I went online, I went to Google, I was very curious about knowing more information. I went online there, I went to Google, asked Google what's the like the basic core of all these websites. How are these websites being created? And Google is going to supply me the information. Google let me know that um websites are being built by web developer. So it gave me two options. It said we have web developer, I said we have web designing. And I said, okay, let me just go for the web developing. And when I dived into it, I went to YouTube to watch videos about it, and I came across different area professionals in web developing, which I learned a lot from them. They taught me about how to create a button, how to style a button, how to create a text on a particular website, how to make up my VS Code, my code editing. It was a very interesting journey, but at first it's going to be new to you. It's just like the first day I wanted to create a button, I find it kind of hard. But when I came across a particular YouTube video online like that, which is on YouTube, it taught me that I have to create the button tag, which is on the HTML structure. So while creating, and it's going to also give you more information about what are the basic cores of the website, which I learned that we have HTML, we have CSS, we have JavaScript. And to let you guys know the little information, little details about this, it said HTML, or let me just say I, because I've learned about it. I'm just trying to share it to you guys. HTML is the backbone. It's just like the structure of every website you are seeing online there. Without HTML, you won't be able to build a website. And I also learned about CSS, which is actually used to style whatever HTML structure you are making use of. Like for example, if I create a button using a button tag on the HTML structure, I have to style it. Maybe I want the button background to be kind of to give me a yellow background. I have to style it by styling the background color using CSS. So that is where CSS comes in, this cascading style sheet. So we're going to make use of the styling. I'm going to instruct the computer to create a particular background color for me, and um the style. After the CSS, we can talk about JavaScript, which makes your website interactive. You understand? So I learned a lot online there. It actually helped me. It did a lot to me, which I'm still learning. And if you go to my first YouTube video, I said, guys, I'm a beginner in web developing. I'm just trying to like build the skill on it. You understand? And as a college student, I find it kind of very, very hard, because while learning the skill, I have to balance my academic how should I say, my academic foundation also. You understand? So because we are all in school to learn, and while in school I have the idea of also learning a skill. You understand? Just as the country says it has to be, because in a country like this, which is Nigeria, you have to, while schooling, you have to have a particular skill. You understand? So that's how it is. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. This video is just to share to you guys my experience, and I hope you all enjoy all what I said since I started this video. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Please don't subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be dropping more videos about my experience and my journey in web development.